This video I'm going to show you how to zoom interface in Discord. So basically it's pretty easy, and in the end of this video I will show you the most important step. So firstly we need to open our Discord like this, and then all we need is just to go to settings. So how can you do this? Basically find your nickname and avatar in the bottom of the screen and then go to user settings button near it. So just click on it. And now all we need is just to scroll down in our menu to find the appearance in app settings. So click on it. So here we can see our current appearance, the change the theme. But if we'll scroll down in this menu, we can find the most important step, zoom level. So if we'll change it, for example, to increase it, we can see that our app was zoomed in. If we'll scroll to the 15, for example, it was like zoom out it. So this is just a 100% zoom. So this is the way how you can change the zoom of interface in your Discord app. I hope guys this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye.